In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link TikTok Shop to marketing account. Here's the key idea up front. If you're using TikTok Shop, you don't actually need to connect it to a separate marketing account. TikTok Shop already includes built-in tools for marketing and an affiliate section, so everything you need to promote your products is right inside your seller dashboard. Start by opening your TikTok Shop account and signing into your seller dashboard. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the main navigation. You'll typically see a sidebar or a top menu with sections dedicated to your products, orders, customer service, and, most importantly for today, marketing and affiliate. These sections are designed to work seamlessly with your catalog and checkout, so your promotions and creator partnerships automatically tie back to your listings and sales data. Click into the marketing section to explore the available tools. You'll find options that let you create promotions, offer vouchers or coupons, and highlight products in a way that the platform knows how to surface to shoppers. Because these tools are part of TikTok Shop, you don't have to worry about syncing separate accounts or importing product feeds. The system already understands your inventory, pricing, and performance. As you explore, look for brief overviews or help icons that explain what each tool does. Many pages include previews that show how promotions will appear to customers, which is a great way to understand the shopper experience before you run anything. Next, visit the affiliate area. This is where you can connect with creators and set up the terms for promoting your products. The affiliate tools are integrated, so tracking, commissions, and orders are handled inside the shop environment. Review the available options, read the descriptions carefully, and note any eligibility guidelines. You can also check for FAQs or tutorials built into the dashboard. They're helpful for understanding how creators discover your offers and how results are measured. If you came here assuming you needed to link TikTok Shop to a separate marketing account, think of this as your shortcut. The built-in marketing and affiliate sections were created to replace that extra step. You can still run broader ad campaigns elsewhere if you want, but for promoting shop products and working with creators, these native tools are the most direct path. To recap, open your TikTok Shop account, locate the marketing and affiliate sections, click in and explore the features. Read the tooltips, preview how your offers will look, and get comfortable with the options available. That's all you need, no extra linking required.